Picture yourself in the 2016 Kia Sorento. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this stylish Sorento, a smooth-riding road trip cruiser. This midsize crossover offers a versatile interior layout with 3-row seating, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, 3rd-row seat, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Get the best blend of comfort and capability in this passenger-focused Sorento. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.